Now let me show you the inside of it. OMG. Oh my god. Spongy, delicious, fruity and nutty. If you don't know, now you know. Very delicious and very healthy. Sugarless, beautiful, lovely fruit and nut cake and fruit and nut cupcake. Cheers guys, you will enjoy this lovely baking today. So today I will be preparing a beautiful, lovely, tasty dry fruit or fruit and nut cake with some cashew nuts, walnuts, pistachios, raisins and some beautiful lovely cherries. And also if I have some leftover batter, I'm going to make some cupcakes with the dry fruit or the fruit and nut on top. But the trick is I will let the egg white here, which I will fold it into the batter. The batter is the same recipe as the tea cake I prepared before, for which I will share the link in the description. I've got the lovely cake tin with my butter paper. I've got a nice tray here to place my cupcakes. Okay, I could place them here just so that they're supported well while baking. The method is very simple. We go 175 degrees for 45 minutes. Let's go. The egg white very well. Now for the egg white. Want your cake fluffy, soft? This is the only method. My batter is ready now, so I will pour it in the cake tin. Just a small layer, not a big one. Now crush the dry fruits. Okay, just a light crush. Thin layer on the bottom layer of the back. Don't worry about this paper. Doesn't have to be pretty, eh? The flavor is more important. Second layer, just thin one, not too much. A thin layer of raisins. Here you go, cherries. Make sure we will cut them into small. Cherries are cut, and we will drop it in here. Okay. So you can see the cherries are in there. There's absolutely very less sugar in this cake. All the sugar we will extract from these cherries and the raisins. Now goes the layer on top. Okay, just a thin layer with some taps and see that it is evenly distributed. Whole batter. So if you don't know, now you know. So today, as I told you, we are going to create lovely cupcakes and a lovely fruit and nut cake. The cupcake also is fruit and nut, and you will see how easy this process is. We are just using the normal cake batter that we prepared last time to make the tea cake. The same thing, the same stuff, but this time it's going to be fruit and nut. Okay. Whatever left over, we can just top it up on top of these cupcakes. Alright, so we have a preheated oven. Place it here, 170 for say 45 minutes, but we keep watching. Alright, okay, see you later. Like my cake is ready after 45 minutes. Let's just check it out. Very delicious, very delicious. Looking good, looking good. Fruit and nut cake. Looks pretty amazing, eh? Amazing fruit and nut cake. Let us see how it looks. Wow. Simply amazing, eh? Wow. Cheers, guys. We'll cut it later, eh? Delicious. Fruity and nutty. Cheers guys, enjoy this lovely fruit and nut tea sponge cake.